let's see. Can't tell if it's running or not. Sure is. I can't tell what he's doing. I was gonna say, I'd rather not back on your driveway, so I'm glad it runs.
Yeah, the only trouble is I've got a brake caliper that's kind of seized up.
Oh, okay.
So
I can back on the driveway, it just leaves gnarly tire marks, kind of like that, but
yeah,
dually.
You know, I mean, it's the force at 15 feet. Why don't you pull forward?
That's what I was saying.
Yeah.
Okay, let me pull forward and I'll let you do that. Just wanted to make sure. Just don't want to back onto people's driveway if I don't have to. All right. See if we can get the bed down fast enough, have them just drive it up. That's not sticking that bad. He's barely even getting it above idle. This thing's sick. Let's get our pickup picture. Is it auto? Yeah. Okay, do you want to just drive it up? Yeah. Okay. Let me get the ramps out because I think because of the length it's going to drag the ass a little bit. So give me a second. Pull my damn pants up again. Whew. Okay. Come on. Love when customers are ready to go like this. Go ahead. Good right there. Perfect. I like you. You don't stop when the wheels keep spinning. Just let off the brake real slow. I don't want it to slam on the paw. There you go. And leave the bags in the highest position you can, please.
They are.
All right. Shut it off. Keys in the ignition is good.
Keys in the ignition to start it. You hit the down here, this. It'll turn on. It will probably default down to 2. Just hit it back up to 3.
Okay.
I'll tell
Robin.
One of those fucking valves.
What do you press? Do you just turn the key like normal to start it?
No, it's just a push button.
Oh, it's a push button. Okay.
Yeah,
I just can't see it. Unlock.
Step on the brake.
Unlock.
This
push
will
button.
Blink. When that's blinking, just hold it down until it starts.
You got it. Love that.
All right. Thanks, buddy.
Absolutely.
And then, how are you going to build me, or what are you going to do?
Yeah, we'll build you once I get it all loaded.
All right, great.
Strapped down.
All right. Bueno.
Appreciate it. Yeah, most people hear it like tire spinning, they let off. I'm like, no, don't do that. Is it supercharged? It sounded like it was.
Yeah.
Very good. Oh, very good. I have a LS3 in my Trans Am. Not blown, but NA. Let's see. Let me get that up in the air a little bit so I can get the straps in there. Land yacht.
She is. But she's fast.
Oh yeah, I'm sure with that.
20s on it because you can't get 22s anymore.
Oh really? The tires you're saying?
I mean, I'm doing just the old school moon issues.
Yeah.
The fancy ones are going away.
Gotcha. Yeah, you need all the tire you can under this thing, I'm sure.
Right. Oh, it's a kick in the pants.
Let's see. Oh man. Come on.
That's smart where the GoPro camera.
Yeah.
Especially with all the rapists and murderers running around today.
Right. Let's see. Start from the front there if we go. There we go. Is it tubbed in the rear or is it just?
Yeah, it's full tub.
I was gonna say it has to be, right? Shit. This thing's cool. Did Airpark build this or?
No,
Okay.
I had it built in Utah.
Oh, okay.
Maybe Joy was selling it.
Yeah.
Airpark told me it costs so much money to build something like this now.
Exactly.
That's why I'm thinking about maybe selling it. I love the car.
Yeah, it's hard to let go of something project-wise. At least for me, it is. I can't sell anything because I know I'm gonna regret it. Needed ramps, but we drove it up, so that's nice. Come on. This fucking thing. Alright. There's like no room in here. Thought I had it. Let's try from the backside. Fitment is crazy. There we go. I think. That one was fighting me. I'm sure you know too, but the inside of your front tires are like smoked.
They're got those.
Okay. Oh, that's right. You said you're getting different wheels.
Yeah,
I just,
and that's one of the reasons why.
right. Just have to mention it because Especially with all that power you need.
Yeah, there's so much toe being on this thing.
Yeah. So just scrubbing the tread away.
Nobody wants some Bond speed wheels and be selling these.
Right.
Yeah, I mean, the back spacing is different on the front and back.
Oh. Alright. Let me turn the truck off. We'll do payment. Be good to go. Pulling up to our friends here at Air Park Motorsports. They bought the old Russo and Steel building here in Scottsdale a couple years ago now, I think. And right about here. Flip the lights on. So we gotta back it in right about here. Alright, I'll have to jump out and open the gate. Right. I think the customer said it's got a brake caliper that's sticking, which is interesting. Didn't seem like it was sticking when he drove it up, but might be once the pads get warmed up. It's my coupe did that and caught my fucking rotors on fire. It was not a good time. There we go. Oh, my nose, itchy. Wait till we get over the gate rail to dump the bags. Oof. And good to go. Bags. PTO. Good to go. Man, this thing's got a lot of rust on that rear quarter. On the door on the other side too. Ah, stop with the screeching. Looks like someone missed with a jack right there too. What's going on, man? It runs and drives.
Yeah?
Huh? Runs and drives fine. He said the one caliper is sticking, like, once you start driving it a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Yeah, he drove it up.
Oh, sweet. All
Yeah.
right, yeah, no problem.
If you don't mind, can I have you hang out and drive it down for me?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, just because the ass was, like, really close, even with ramps. I just want to make sure.
Got it.
And then, do you know the procedure to start this thing?
Yeah.
Okay, because he told me, so we'll kind of meet in the middle somewhere.
I kind of remember.
Okay. You gotta hit the remote and then do this and that, and yeah. Oh.
Let me see if I can air it up too. So
It was on the highest setting.
Was it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's on 3. I guess he said it'll default to 2, so you just gotta hit 3 again.
Oh.
Yeah. And the keys should be in it on the center. Don't start it just yet though. Okay, can't really see the tire. There we go. All right, it's that one over a little bit. I was gonna say, you may not even need to start it, honestly.
No, I'll probably just roll it.
Okay, give me a second, let me get it popped. straps are a motherfucker. Half the wheel's covered and then he's got it like so tight in there. It's good that.
He's getting smaller wheels tires.
That's what he was saying. You can't find the 22s.
No, and they fucking rub too.
Oh shit. That's probably what all the rubber in this barrel is on this side. Yep. All right, foot on the brake. Just in case. All right. So we'll go to the edge of the bed, double check the ramps, and then go from there. Come back real slow.
Hold on, let me see if I can get it so they there's
I think he said hitting the unlock button is what powers the car on. There you go. Yep. Cool. Come back real slow. Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. A little bit more. A little bit more. Right there. All right. Perfect. Let me just reset the bed. All right, I'm gonna watch this fuel tank because that's what I was worried about.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Oh. Yep. Yep. Hold on. Ugh, this fucking thing is heavy. Like heavier than I could ever imagine. All right, go ahead. Yep. Good, good. Yep. Yep. And you're down. Okay. We'll go to the front and double check from there. Keep going. Keep going. And a little bit more. Hold. Perfect. All right. And you can hear the toe. Very nice, very nice. Supercharged LS3 and it's on air, that's fucking nutty. Hopefully he doesn't drive away before I can get my drop-off picture. No, come back. Good to go. Done and done. On to the next one. It's been a busy day today. All right, let's get the fuck out of here. Pulling into Circle K at Alma School and Dynamite to tow a late 90s 4Runner. Customer says that he thinks his starter took a shit. Oy. Let's see if we can find him. I don't see a black 4Runner just yet. Let's see. Oh, there he is. Okay. Okay, there it is. Nice. Oh, yeah, that's not great. I got it. I'll have to wait for this Jetta to leave. What are you doing with your stupid Colorado, bitch? Stop. Christ. People have no brain. Yeah, that's not good. I need to re-stab that. Stupid ass Colorado's in my way. I was like midway at the pump when I looked in the rearview mirror. Of course, there's a million fucking people at this Circle K just now. Oh, rotate, you big bitch. There we go. This Jetta needs to get the fuck out of my way. Thank you. Hoping she wasn't going to try to sneak past me on the right, because that wasn't going to happen. He said it was a 90-something. This is not a 90-something. This is like a 2010-ish. Okay, now she's trying to sneak past me on the right. That's fine. There's lots of room over there now. Don't. People always try to tell me like when to stop when I'm backing up. We ain't getting that close, homie. Thanks, though. All right. That and that. Well, that worked out. I said that worked out. That lady leaving right then. Hell yeah. So you think it's the starter?
Yeah, you going.
Oh, okay. Making crazy noises?
Yeah, it was fine, but I don't know, I just turned it off to come and get some gas and it went off. I don't know why.
After you put gas in, huh? Yeah.
The fuck happened?
Yeah. It's always the worst. Like after you get gas, then something else happens. You're like, fuck, even more money. It is what it is.
Oh well.
We taking it home or to a shop?
Home.
Okay.
Yeah, I could take the car down home.
Yeah, yeah.
Not that big of a deal. But
Yeah. Easy enough.
yeah. Is it fine if I ride with you? Or?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
I have no idea.
No worries. Let me just grab a couple pictures, the plate and the VIN. We're good to go. Come on. There we go. All right. Oh, plate like reflecting right in my eyes. AZ, not QZ, goddammit. Alright, let's see. 867.
You have the VIN number there?
Yeah, I got it. It's in the door. Yeah. Alright, let me get it hooked up. We'll get out of here. Gas stations are always fun to pick up at because everybody's got to ask questions. Ooh, shit. That'll do it. Whew. Yeah, I'll do that right now. Just gotta make sure this isn't hung up weird. It looks like it might be. Stupid little hooks. There we go. Okay. Woo. Is the key in it? Thank you, sir. Am I okay to roll the window down? Okay. Just don't want to lock the keys in it. All right. To go. Hang on to those for me. Damn.
Isn't that right there? Well,
Yeah. It's been super busy. Oh, come on. Yeah, I think you're like my 6th or 7th call today.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. It's always something different too. All right. Love all the stickers on the bottom. Whew. guys see my big ass forehead in the reflection? Love that. Let me just turn this off real quick and then I gotta move my stuff over there. Alright, that was a good one. 45 miles. Oh, my legs. Good to go. Blood on my lap, make it blow like a toolbar. Oh no, I just saw that speed bump. Shit. Hopefully that doesn't stop us. And that sucks. He worked all morning and then has to work on his truck now. So he can go to work tomorrow. Feel for you. I gotta fix that stupid chain that's hanging down from the end of that ratchet. Oh, that drive made me sleepy. Ready to take a nap now. Long drive. Put me to sleep, had me in my head. Come on. Damn it. Oh shit, that wasn't good. Jesus. All right. You got the key? Yeah. All right. Buddy. Ugh. It's good? Yeah. Okay.
Let me just move it a little more.
Okay. Let me jump out.
I'll be there, boy.
Yeah. Yep. All right. Sorry.
All right.
I was like, fucking shit, stop it.
All right, thanks, man.
All right, man. Have a good one.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Come on. Get on there. I would have died if it just started. Hit my knee when I stopped that thing. Shit hurt. All right, good to go.